Across the vast emptiness of space, not everything that shapes the universe can be seen. Some forces leave no visible trail, yet their influence echoes through time. These are the galactic ghosts, ancient, invisible structures that continue to sculpt the motions of stars and galaxies. Recent studies suggest that certain regions of space contain gravitational anomalies, places where stars accelerate, decelerate, or drift in ways that defy current models. It's as if something massive is lurking nearby, but we can't see it. These ghost structures may be the remains of long-lost galaxies, devoured and torn apart by larger ones like the Milky Way. While their stars have been absorbed or flung across space, their gravitational signatures linger, like fingerprints on glass. The European Space Agency's Gaia mission has helped map these ghost trails. One such structure is the Gaia Sausage, a stellar stream believed to be the remnants of a galaxy that collided with the Milky Way billions of years ago. Its stars now orbit in a peculiar pattern, distinct from the rest of the galactic disk. But the Gaia Sausage is just one of many. Across the sky, we're finding stellar streams and gravitational distortions that hint at a hidden history of mergers and cosmic violence. Every ripple, every deviation, tells a story of a galactic encounter long forgotten. More than just relics, these ghost structures may actively shape the future. They can distort the orbits of stars, influence the formation of new stellar systems, and even guide the motion of entire star clusters. And it gets stranger. Some anomalies cannot be linked to any visible source. No star stream, no gas cloud, no known object. Could they be the fingerprints of dark matter clumps? Or remnants of ancient structures that never formed into galaxies as we understand them? At Infinity Beyond, we explore these mysteries with a deep sense of wonder. The idea that our galaxy is haunted, not by spirits, but by the gravitational echoes of forgotten giants, is both poetic and profound. These ghosts remind us that the universe is not static. It is a living archive, and every star is part of a vast, dynamic record. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, some of the forces guiding those stars aren't visible, but they are there, silent, massive, and ancient.